Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of KYC, Know Your Crypto. I had a regularly scheduled Altcoin Gems episode planned for today as it is Sunday, but given the volatility of the market and this unforgiving downtrend, I'll save that video for another day. Today I'm going to give you my thoughts, no edits, on the state of this bull run. And many people might not consider this a bull run anymore. We are still in a bull run. Not financial advice, you do your own research. We'll likely go down even lower and perhaps even see 20K Bitcoin again. And if that happens, I will be buying. I'll continue to dollar cost average because guess what has changed about the technology in crypto recently? Absolutely nothing. The amount of FUD and whale manipulation that is going on in the moment is meant to bring the prices of BTC and ETH down while altcoins get completely obliterated. It's not fun, and most of us are caught in the middle. But on the bright side, let's focus on what hopefully brought you into the crypto space, the technology. People often joke about being in crypto for the tech, but that's why I'm in crypto. I never had any intentions of getting rich overnight from a meme coin. It'd be nice, but the odds of that are slim, and that's not why I'm in crypto, and that's not what crypto is all about. So why isn't the bull run over? Let's summarize what is going to happen over the next few months, and these are all things that you probably already know. EIP 1559 for Ethereum in July, deflationary ETH, and much cheaper gas fees. Smart contracts coming to Cardano, I believe in August, and I could be wrong there. And if you don't like or care about Cardano, that's totally fine, but it's still bullish for the crypto space when a blockchain with a cult-like following will have the ability to run dApps with DeFi. For Polkadot fans, parachain auctions are around the corner, and for projects that win a parachain slot, they will be considered extremely valuable in the DOT ecosystem. Solana, like it or hate it, lots of good projects building in that ecosystem. Polygon Matic already solidifying itself as a top L2 scaling solution on Ethereum. So with all that in mind, the only thing that has changed recently is emotion and sentiment. The market is extremely emotional right now as projects continue to build and expand. If you got into crypto because you believe in the technology, this will be just another blip in the roadmap. Last point I will make is this. I know it can be frustrating to see tweets or TikTok videos of people telling you to either buy the dip or no coiners calling you dumb for investing in crypto. One, to the people telling you to buy the dip, if you can't, then don't. Some people have more liquidity at their disposal, but that doesn't mean that you have to sell at a loss. If you believe in crypto, hodl, period. Two, for the no coiners calling you dumb for making what looks like a bad investment in crypto, it's very easy for people to criticize others during a downtrend. Bitcoin, to give you some perspective, Bitcoin was $9,100 on May 23rd, 2020. That's 1 year ago today. Today, Bitcoin is worth more than 3 times that. Always keep perspective top of mind. That's going to do it, for this episode. I'll be back very soon with another Altcoins Gems episode. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.